Welcome back to this video. For everyone using Android phone, most especially if you uninstall any apps on your Android phone, quite a lot number of people are not aware that if you uninstall any app on your Android phone, the particular app still have a lot of residual file that they left in your internal storage on your Android phone, and those leftover files are still consuming a lot of internal storage space on your Android phone. And in this video, I will show you on how to access the leftover internal storage, and at the same time how you can delete those empty folders in your Android phone to free up and clean up your internal storage on your Android phone. Let me show you how. First thing first, what you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply open up files right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down, go ahead and click on internal storage. So here we go. Now, if you delete any apps on your Android phone, some of the folders is going to be disabled right here. All these folders here are nothing but a disabled folder. You can delete them as many as possible from your internal storage to free up more storage space in your internal storage. However, if you find out that some of, you can see, the more you scroll down, there are many right here. Those ones that are fully gray right here are some of the apps folder that are still exist in your Android phone. Make sure you do not delete any one of them right here. Anyone that is gray, don't ever delete them, because they are the element and the data of a particular app you have on your Android phone. Now, for you to delete some of the apps that are left over after you uninstall them from your Android phone, you have to make sure you delete some of these ones right here. Like for instance, this particular leftover here, I delete this app in 2003. As you can see the date right here, and then since then the leftover has been on my phone doing nothing than to consume my internal storage data. So how can you delete them? Simply click on these three dots right here, and then go ahead and simply make sure you click on delete permanent, and this is going to pump up right here. Delete one folder permanently. This is permanent and cannot be undone. Anything file inside the folder will also be permanently deleted. You can imagine 18 files sitting in my internal storage doing nothing in my phone than to consume my data and my storage space. So all you have to do is simply click on delete right here. Just like so. So you have it deleted successful. You can review and delete as many as possible leftover folder from your Android internal storage to free up more space. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Android settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.